This is our last hit out, significant hit out anyway. We've got about 50k to go from Vernon to Boubiers. As usual, we're finding that the train has got work on the tracks. We always think, oh, it'll be quieter on the weekend, so we'll book weekends for train travel, but that doesn't quite work because they closed the railways down.
That's not today's problem, though.
Not today's problem, correct. Not today's problem. We've got our bikes loaded, finishing up a cup of coffee, 10:15, we're on our way. 26 degrees, pretty much today. Maybe a little bit of a headwind later, a couple of hills in the last 10k. Apart from that, should be a good run. So we're on our way.
This is our last ride for our tour. Which way are we going? Sorry. Easy.
So this is pretty much the path we took yesterday to go to the Monet's Gardens, which was really spectacular. Now we mosey out of town.
We're probably about a kilometre out of Vernon, and we're already seeing cows.
So this is where everybody parks while they're going up to see Monet's garden, I gather, and there's a lot of buses in there. I'm glad we're not in Monet's garden today. It's on the left. Goodness.
Monet's Garden. That's the entrance we should have gone into. But Craig insisted on queuing up. Doesn't matter. It is what it is. It's not very big. Not as big as I thought it would be. And it's got this main road behind it, which kind of spoils it a little bit. But anyway, it is what it is. And this is where we leave the V33, because now we are going to our accommodation. We're going to leave our bikes. We're going in a northerly direction into the wind and up the hills. Let's hope we have a beautiful pathway like this for most of the journey.
French drivers are fabulous in how careful they are with the cyclists, so I'm going to take your hat off to them. They're really, really good. Nice.
This cycleway is awesome. We love the cycleway. Except for the insects I keep going through, but That's all right. It is awesome.
K out of Vernon. It's just getting that first sign of the colours of autumn, and the leaves are dropping. Here's a chair, beautiful. 20k, time to drink some water. Nice one.
Pretty windy. Probably about 25 kilometres an hour of winds, I would estimate, with wind gusts about wind gusts around 40 kilometres an hour. But we really don't notice the wind until we head out into these paddocks where we're unprotected. But while we're on the path and we're in the forest, we have a completely different experience.
We're starting to get a few hills up here somewhere where we'll see. Fortunately, we're not on the road with those trucks that we can see in front of us. We cross that road. Keep heading in whatever direction we're heading in. Well, it's the last day. We're off the cycleway. We're on a road called the D6, whatever that might be. Banging into the wind. We're about to get a couple of hills, I think, but nothing like the coast. Nothing like the coast. Speed down here. I'm not sure where the hill's supposed to be. This is pretty specky down here. Chateau or manor.
hill to go up there, but okay, have a break. Woo! How was that for you?
Oh, that's right.
We've only got 6.5 kilometres to go. Ooh, this wind is brutal. It's really hard going. And it's brutal. As we're heading into Boubiers.
Here's our little hill. We're just going to ride into town because we're going to leave the bikes here, but we're also going to leave quite a bit of other equipment here because we've got fantastic storage, terrific host who will look after it for us. But this is a really nice, really nice place where they're doing a lot of work restoring and rebuilding this wonderful old sun on the screen there. Old home. It's really jazzy. Bedroom, bathroom upstairs. Jackie's up there. You can't really see that, but super comfortable. A lovely, quiet location. Yeah, having a good time.
This is what we do on our last day. Last evening in France.
Have a beer and eat some cheese.
Yes.
Beautiful cheeses. Very nice.